Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily customize, edit and save quick menu for photos on your FUJIFILM X-M5. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and click the menu. Now, we are in the button and dial setting, so we can change the setup right here. We're going to go to button and dial setting. Now we got the edit and save quick menu for photos. There's a difference between the photos and the videos, but there's a camera and there's like a smaller camera, so this is like a film camera. Now we're gonna swipe right and we can select the slots. So we can choose from 4 to 16 slots. It's totally up to us, however we want to change it. And as you guys can see, let me quickly go over and click OK. We go back, and here we can manage 4 slots. Here we can go over and manage 8 slots. Now we got the 12, and of course the most advanced option right here is 16. So we got everything. We can change the quick menu, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.